Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and this is a video wallpaper. So video wallpapers are obviously moving, they're live wallpapers, and you can pretty much get anything as a video wallpaper these days, and if you can't, then you can make one yourself. But this video is going to be how to set one up. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download a video off the internet, which is roughly about 15 seconds long. It can be more, you can trim it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So once you're in your gallery, you'll have a video like this, for example, whatever the video is. And essentially all you do is you can either go from here, before you even play the video, go up here and go set as wallpaper. It'll then give you like a preview of how it's going to look like on the lock screen. You can only set it up on the lock screen, you can't do it on the home screen. And then you go on edit, and you can edit a certain 15 seconds or less of how, or whatever, whatever scene you want. We'll just do it there. You'll hit OK. It'll save the video in the gallery where the main video was, and you just hit set as wallpaper, and then it'll give you a message to say it's set, and then there you go. That was just a quick look at how to set up video wallpapers on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one.